Hi and welcome. Today I will show you how to translate formulas and cells in Excel. If you want to translate the formulas in Excel, you have to go to Insert and find the tab that says Adds In. If you did not find it, then go to Home and then normally you'll find Add-ins. Click on plus more add-ins. On the tab search, write Translator Functions. You'll find Functions Translator, click on Add and then Continue. In your tab search, you'll find Reference and Translator. Now you have installed the Functions Translator. For example, if you would like to translate this function in English, all you have to do is copy and paste it. I would like to set it in Dutch, and there you go. Now, if you want to translate a cell in Excel, then all you have to do is click on Review, go on Translate, and then select the cell you would like to translate it. In this case, English to Dutch. You can also select the whole months. It will automatically do that. And there you go. I hope you find this helpful and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, bye!